concert in Louisiana and don't book no Louisiana legends and put no bankroll in no Louisiana legends pocket, but you pay the police $500,000. What type of advantage of us? Shreveport had cheap ass land. He came and bought that shit. You taking advantage of my city, nigga, cause shit cheap and shit costs way less than it costs where you from. And y'all stupid shit showed you that by paying the police $500,000 when we got young niggas out here starving, when we got young niggas out here killing each other.